King, look at how far you've come. There were people who said you couldn't. There were doors that closed. There were moments when you questioned yourself, yet somehow you're still standing, still building, still growing, still finding a way.
You rocking with Von Star Channel, where we lift weights, drive cars, family oriented. Yeah, man, we been out here for some time. Hey, man, if you ain't like, comment, subscribe, do that right now. Man, this is a family oriented channel, and we love to have fun. We love to joke. We like to vibe. We like to cook. And hey, most of all, we peaceful over here. So let's stay up, stay tuned. First 48, let's go. Yeah. Motherfucker humming, Jack. Okay, Mako. That motherfucker humming, Jack. Hey, my dog got that LS motor, dog. That motherfucker look good, too. Oh, videos don't do justice. This mother look good. All right, we got, what's your name?
MoneyMacon.
MoneyMacon, man. What year, make, and model is this car?
1988 Chevy Caprice Box LS Pro-Ham, bro.
LS Pro-Ham, 1988. Okay. All right, tell us a little bit about this car. It looks pretty.
Man, what we got right here is an LS2 6.0 stroked over to a 4-weight.
Okay.
4-weight cubic inches, man.
All right, so basically a 6.0 and it's stroked over.
Yes, sir. It's a big 4-weight, not the little one.
Not the little ones. How long did it take you to build the motor on this?
Shit, it took about a year.
About a year?
Yeah,
Okay.
Went to the machine shop, had it all bust down, had everything bottom end replaced brand new.
Okay.
Right to the top.
Bottom to the top built on this one, all right? All right. I see you got like an aftermarket grill. Like, what is that?
That's $1 million smile, man. That's that Tiara thing. That Tiara, that's that triple wheel, man.
Okay.
So,
Nice. Tell us a little bit about your car.
man, what we got going on, man? She's on 28 Amani Forged, man. Wheelwood disc brakes,
Okay.
7-inch lips on the back. Big 7, not the little one. Tucking on that thing, man.
As y'all see, they staggered. See the lip sizes. Okay. All right. Is this like the original paint or?
Yeah, man. Original paint was originally two-tone white and gray.
Okay.
So I ended up respraying this car back in 09. It's been sprayed twice the same color.
Okay.
So this paint about 10 years old you're looking at right now. So it's still holding up.
What kind of paint is this? Like what color?
Kandy Brandywine.
Kandy Brandywine.
Kandy Brandywine. Yes, sir.
It doesn't look like it's a stock interior. I see mesh grills and stuff around.
Yes. I got the dash done. Got the console done. Got the seats done. Door panels. Rear deck. I got all that tent stuff here from my trip. So.
Okay. About the brake light. All right.
3-inch exhaust. Boiler XS Pro on the exhaust.
The boiler exhaust. X pipe. Okay. Got the steering wheel to match.
You better believe it, my boy. Billet, pedals, door striker, Sandman.
Oh, okay.
HDX on the dash.
All right. Sunroof. All right.
It light up the button over there.
Okay. See the button. All right. We see you.
LEDs on the door panel, armrest, they light up.
Okay.
All the way around the doors.
Okay. Let's Broham. Where can people follow you at?
MoneyMacon on YouTube, MoneyMacon on IG, Snapchat MoneyMacon28, Facebook Macon Gauss, MaconGause.
All right, there y'all go, man. Y'all know where to follow. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is one beautiful machinery right here.
And she will get active.
She will get active.
Stay
Okay.
tuned for later on. I'm gonna show you she get active. So we get this tune dial all the way in as well.
Yes, sir. Cold start. Nice little can. Motherfucking chopper. Okay, money making. Okay, I see it. I see it. Money make, keep out the hood. Got a Bentley 370. Got the AC full. Sixes, got the big boys with the stupid dumb lip in the back. Waiting on the tuna. She ride right now. We're gonna try to get a little bit more out of that.
Great power with that.
15 volts. That boy got that big mic. So how you feel about this build?
Man, everything I could imagine. You hear me?
How long you had this car?
About 20-some years.
20-some years.
Been working on this problem for a long time, bro.
What kind of paint do you have?
Kandy Brandywine motherfucking land. You hear me?
And what size wheels?
28. Selfish lip. 373 years on it right now. My 411 years came in yesterday. I'm switching 411 years.
Okay. And tell me a little bit about the car and the interior, build, motor. Tell me a little bit about it.
But yeah, I got a whole lot going on here, man. 1988 Chevy Box 88. Broham LS power. Hey, shit, I'm on. Bruh. Press pause on it. Edit out.
Hey, they don't play it outside the house.
ain't gonna get cussed out today?
No, we friends today.
Oh, we friends today. Y'all hear that? Man, I appreciate y'all tuning in the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, man. And we out here. We only going up. First 48. Let's go.